You're watching Channel 1, a multilingual channel. Browse through the playlist for your preferred language, and you're watching the gardening series. Greetings from Eindhoven, Romulo here. Finally, as you see, the sun shone today and there are jobs to do at the garden. Got to remove my glasses because we have tasks to do. Join me and we'll be we'll be planting brassicas, cauliflower, and there is broccoli. We have some salads, and that is, let me give this plant a close-up. That's kohlrabi. It's my replacement for radish and sayote. And we will be transplanting as well the the sweet peas. These are the flowering peas that we planted, I think, a month ago. And if you remember our week 1 update, this are the peas, the edible peas that we sowed that week, 2 weeks ago. Look how they have grown. The secret is I put them in that polytunnel. Can you give it the polytunnel a shot, cameraman? That is where I kept them for 2 weeks. And of course, if we have to plant these peas, we have to get the trellis ready as well. So another task for today is building the trellis. And we have to finish early because my Oma is coming for dinner and I've got to cook. So see you at the kitchen later, on a later episode. Let's get to work. We are now transplanting the peas and see the advantage of using this deep root trainer. See how deep the root system have become. You won't get that with a typical or a normal pot. You might be asking, what distance should they be? As long as they can breathe. No, air should be free to circulate in between the plants. Roughly that distance, a finger. The first time I planted this, I thought they were sweet peas, so I followed what I learned on YouTube, how to plant sweet peas, and they say they start around even December, and I transplanted them around February. It was still cold, they did not grow, but they survived the frost. Let's be careful not to touch I also have to be careful not to touch the flowering apples here. They have started flowering. By the way, I did not bake this. I just covered them with or the ground with newspaper, and then top with compost. But I don't know, still the weeds crawled through the newspaper. Bye bye, my name's Buurman, buurvrouw. See you next time.
Nou, plezier met planten.
Thank you. The brassicas will go to this plot. Just a rough straight line. Cauliflowers here. Cauliflowers. Let's leave the label there. This cauliflowers grow larger than salads, of course, so we'll give it greater distance. Just give it some water later. Done? Next. These are ornamental plants. They're planted for their flowers. I intend to have them here climb along with the roses along this arch. So I'll put them here. There are more, by the way, at the pulley tunnel. Thank you for joining me today. It's the week 3 of March at the garden. We've done lots of things, and I hope to have you again next time here on Channel 1.